Baby, delete this after reading. Baby, delete this after reading because honestly, this is not just a message. It's a secret chapter straight from my heart, and I don't even know if I will ever be able to write it again with the same emotions. You know how I always act a little strong outside, but deep inside, I am like a kid who just wants your attention, your love, your care every single second. And if I miss that even for a little while, my heart feels restless. I don't want anyone else in the world to read these words because they belong only to you. My silly thoughts, my hidden feelings, my endless love, and my random imaginations that only make sense when you are in them. That's why I am asking you to delete it after reading, not because I don't want you to keep my love, but because these words are so raw, so close to my heart. I feel embarrassed thinking about anyone else ever knowing how much I love you. Sometimes, when I am lying down at night, staring at the ceiling, I start thinking how my whole world has changed because of you. Baby, you don't even realize the kind of magic you have in your smile. It's like you reset my entire day, no matter how bad or exhausting it was. Every time you call me, it feels like my ears are hearing the most beautiful music, and every time you look at me, it feels like I am the luckiest person alive. But here's the funny part, I am always scared you might not even know how deeply you live inside me, how much your presence decides my mood, my peace, my everything. That's why I am pouring it all here in this big confession and still telling you, baby, delete this after reading because if someone else ever saw these words, they would think I'm crazy, and maybe I'm crazy, but only crazy for you. You know what's interesting? Even my future looks like it's holding your hand Whenever I imagine years from now, when we are older, when life throws us challenges, when we are not as young and free as today, the one constant picture that never changes is you with me. I imagine you laughing in the kitchen while I try to cook something terrible, or you stealing the blanket when it's cold, or us sitting quietly on a balcony after a long day, saying nothing but still feeling everything. And in all those pictures, my heart tells me this love, this bond, this madness we share is forever. But again, these are dreams I can't shout to the world because they would never understand how one person could mean so much to someone else. That's why, baby, delete this after reading. Keep it in your heart, not in your phone. I don't know if you will love reading this, or if you will blush a little, or maybe you will just shake your head saying, "You are too much." But that's fine because I want to be too much for you. Maybe this message should not exist. Maybe it's too raw, too real, but I needed you to know. Every time I say I'm fine, I'm really saying I wish you were here. So please read this once. Fill me in every word and then delete it. Keep me in your heart, not your inbox. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.